Hi everyone! Welcome to Grow, Gather, and Learn. I am Lindsay. I'm Caden's wife, so I'll be popping on here onto this channel a few different times here and there. I help with the daily watering of the plants while he's gone at work. Last year I helped Caden with a lot of the vegetable garden, and I'm still going to do that this year, but this year I really wanted to start some flowers. I found this beautiful wildflower mix the other day at the Lowe's store in our town, and I couldn't help myself when I saw it was specifically for hummingbirds, and I've always loved hummingbirds. I used to, as a kid, wait for them to land on my hand. It's just something I've always enjoyed seeing around the gardens at my parents' house, so I decided I would get this to plant this year. And so what I have here is some old soil from this past year. When I looked up how to plant wildflowers, they actually prefer to be in less nutrient dense soil, so a lot of times they'll recommend mixing soil with compost to lessen the amount of nutrients in a soil for the wildflowers in order for them to survive and thrive. So I'm going to take this mix from last year and add a bit of potting mix. I'm going to take some of this out actually. For this mix, it says to plant an inch under the soil, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Spacing is broadcast, which is my favorite because you can just basically spread it however. It doesn't matter how far apart or together it is, and so we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Wow. There is nothing better than seeing the fresh seeds of a garden season and knowing that they're going to produce something so beautiful as flowers. That just makes me so excited. I'm going to go ahead and spread this nice and flat. Keep it loose. Okay, I think it's pretty good. Now I have a good variety in my hand. You can see the different types of flowers, super pretty. We're just gonna go ahead and scatter this all around. Maybe I'll just actually kind of go from the bag. I don't want it too thick, but I also want a lot of flowers. So we're just gonna kind of mix that a little bit, not too much. All right, to finish off, just about an eighth of an inch thick, not too deep over them. So actually the perfect amount of soil I have left here, which is great. Now, wildflowers only need about half an inch of water a week, it says. For the first 2 weeks, you kind of water them more though, for 2 to 3 times. I think it's for the first few weeks or 2 weeks. I'll have to read up on that, but I'm gonna start out with this water spray here just to get it moist and watered without making the seeds too wet to the point where it wouldn't help them. I probably should just use a watering can, but I'm a little worried about disrupting the soil too much, so I'm just going to use this spray. Plus it's more fun. Oops. Until I use all the water or my hand cramps. Oh my goodness. Awesome. So there you have it. These seeds say they will germinate in 7 to 21 days and then bloom in 50 to 100 days, which I'm very excited for. Hi. Thanks for watching my first day of planting for the season. Be sure to check back for more content soon.
Yay!